Some savings challenge. If yes, worry no more. I want to guide you through a 52-week or a 26-week challenge, how you can save as little as 50 bob and see how much it will accumulate in 52 weeks. That is, if you want to save for 1 year, or 26 weeks if you want to save from July 1st to the end of the month, of the end of the year. This is financial literacy. Welcome, we learn. So I will have an Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet, I've called it some 26, you can see here, 26 savings challenge and 52-week savings challenge. Let me start with 26-week saving challenge. I want to do it step by step so that you can try and tailor make to fit your amount. So we shall call this week 1 all the way to, so this is equals to this plus 1. Then I drag it all the way to week 26. So there we are at week 26. I want to start very basic. You want to start saving 50 bob shillings a day, sorry, a week. So your cumulative savings is equal to this, week 1. Week 2, you increase these savings from 50 bob, you grow it by 50 shillings. So week 2, you save 100. Your cumulative saving now will be, your cumulative savings will be your previous balance, 50, plus the current weekly saving. That is 50. I should have put plus. Yes. So end of week 2, you have saved 150. So now I can have it all the way. You can see week 26, I'll have gradually increased my savings to 1,300. Now, what will be the cumulative savings? I just double tap. You can see week 3 will be 300. And there you are. By close of December, if you start saving on 1st July, the first week of July, by close of December, and you are increasing it 50 bob per week, by close of December, you will have 17,550. This one, I should edit it 26 weeks. What if now we make it, that is 26 week. What if now we make it 52 week? And what if, for the sake of diversity, what if the savings, now you start with 100 bob per day? I will deal with 100 bob per week, because for those ones doing 50, you can go and have this, increase it up to week 52. So we have week 1 here. This is equals to week 1 plus 1. I drag it all the way to 52. You want to save for the next 1 year. that is 51. You want to save up to, today is 23rd June. You want to save up to 23rd June 2026. Now you start with 100 bob. And so the cumulative savings is equal to just that, 100. You now grow it by 100. So is equals to the last week's saving plus 100. Then I double click. It will take care of all of them. You can see at the end, this is quite difficult, or it's quite tough. At the end of week 52, you are saving 5,200 per week. Let's see. The cumulative savings, I say, is equals to the last week's savings, 100, plus this week's saving. You can see it's 300. I double tap. By the end of the 1 year, 52 weeks, you have saved 137,800. That one may be beyond reach for some people because of the huge amount of savings that you will get in the last years, but it is doable. If you wanted to do for 52 weeks, you can just come to this 26-week saving challenge. You drag this to 52, then you come and double tap this 1,300, you also double tap that. It will get you there. Wish you well. Let's continue learning about financial literacy. Remember, it is these small things that you start that become a habit. See you then.